All right, so right here I have the Sennheiser CL 35 TSR Curled Cable. This is a 3.5 millimeter cable right here, and I'm gonna be unboxing this right here. So here's the cable inside. Comes in nice packaging by Sennheiser. Go ahead and open this up. Right here. And so inside is the curled cable. Here it is right here in all of its glory. That's the curled cable. Pretty cool. Not much to it other than it being a curled cable. The Sennheiser CL 35 TRS curled cable. See, this end right here comes with a screw design. Actually screw this onto appliances or products. And then this side is just the straight plug in right here. Instructions come into this manual, if you want to read those. Pretty cool.